Hi everyone. I'm going to go through a quick demonstration on Microsoft's desktop icon exploit, and I'm running backtrack 4. I'm going to go ahead and start Metasploit. It's going to take a couple seconds to load up. Basically what it is, it's you can put malicious code into the file that's normally an icon for a shortcut on the desktop. And I started Metasploit here. I'm going to go ahead and show you a quick couple things on how to do different things. If you're not familiar with Metasploit, first make sure it's updated if you're going to be running this exploit, and also you can always type show exploits, and it's going to give you a list of all the different exploits it has. The one we're looking for is Windows, and it's under the browser, and it's going to be MS10, and it's right here. I'm going to go ahead and highlight that, copy it, go back down to my command prompt, and I'm going to go ahead and type use exploit slash, and then I'm just going to go ahead and paste it in there, hit enter, and you can see the command prompt now shows the exploit that you're going to use. Now let's show payloads. These are all the different payloads you can use, and what I usually use is Meterpreter. So I'm going to go ahead and set payload, and it's Windows Meterpreter reverse TCP. And what that does, when it runs on the victim's machine, it's going to call back to my server and establish a connection that way. Hopefully firewalls won't catch it. Go ahead, hit enter. And you can always also, to see what the exploit, what options you have, you can do show options, and it's going to give you a list of all different things. Now the only one we have to fill out is a local host here. So I'm going to go ahead and set lhost, which is me. And that's it. I'm going to go ahead and exploit. And what that did was open up a server on my machine here, waiting for connections. So let's go ahead and fast forward over to the victim's machine now. I sent an email earlier, and just some BS, just trying to get them to click this link, and here is a private IP address, so it's saying it's coming up with a pop-up, and you can see opened up my server, and here's the exploit it just ran. It's in here, and Windows tried to read it, and it ran the malicious code. So let's go ahead and put these down for right now. We'll go back to the backtrack, and as you can see, Meterpreter session 1 opened. Hit answer, and I can do sessions, and it tells me what sessions I have open. So I can do sessions tac I for the first one, number 1 for the first one, and I have a Meterpreter prompt. So I'm now inside the machine. I can do a pwd, and we are sitting right on top of the desktop. There's different things that we can do. Put files on there, a lot of different things. We can FTP things over to their computer, other backdoors, Trojans, whatever we want. I'll make a directory just so you guys can see that I'm sitting on their machine, and we'll call it owned. And we'll go back to the victim's machine, and there's a folder of owned right there. Oops. We can also, while we're in there, do other things. Oops. We can do a hash dump. There's their hashes for their passwords. Crack them if we wanted to. And basically, that's it. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.